Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-40C-S with a sensor, and the S is for the switches on top. But the customer also ordered a sensor that for incrementing the count. And I've got it open, so I wanted to demonstrate the modular and also terminal blocks connections that the DC-40 or DC-25 or 10 or whatever you order with the counter function. It is a term function. In other words, it has terminal blocks. We do sell counters with just switches on top and or remote switches. But anyways, no further ado, the terminal blocks are inside of the back cover, and they're mounted to the back cover, but the back cover separates from the front and via these modular connections. So we have a modular connection in there and then one here, and then so it makes the back separatable from the front, so you can mount the back part of the unit, the whole unit, on either 4-square or handy box. It does have 2 knockouts for cable entry, and then 2 knockouts in the side, one on each side for cable entry. It is a 4-inch display, all aluminum enclosure, 4-inch high digits. We also put environmentally sealed switches on the S's, and they mimic the functions of the terminal block. And then also the terminal connection, you can input your own voltage, so anywhere from 24 to 32 volts input, and no need to use our wall adapter, but it does come with the wall adapter, and we'll go ahead and connect it all up. Get her up and running here, and demonstrate the sensor. So I've just tripped the sensor, or tripping the sensor. It's a photo sensor. We stand at. It's kind of a common sensor. It is proximity based, so sensitivity can be set for further distances or closer distances. And I'm just demonstrating just passing my hand in front of it. Increment manually with the switch buttons, or decrement, or reset to 0. This could be for local for the operator, and then another remote decrement and reset to 0. This is the DC-40C-S with a sensor. Thank you.